Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, today it's July 29, Monday. Well, as you can see on the title of the live stream, when all-time high, when moon kind of environment. Because it's Monday, we'll start with weekly chart and we'll see what we have on weekly, and then we can go lower time frame, daily, see an overview. And after that, we can go and hunt some setups. Yeah, we have already I posted it from last night. I tagged everyone. I even posted on Twitter, trying to be sure that everyone is in. Well, more than that, I don't know if I can do. Good morning, Bukur. Morning, Kos. Morning, Bova. Morning, Ken. Well, now, you can understand why I switched bullish at that point in time? I'm more bullish now than then. Even if we are at the top of the range, you don't see that too often in my play. Yeah, being bullish at the resistance, at the top of the range. But sometimes you have to look around you and you see the fundamentals or the pumpamentals. Okay. So let's see what we have on weekly first. Bitcoin, nice close. I would prefer even more bullish if we can close above 69. Well, wasn't the case, but we closed green. This was a clear rejection. Just remember, last week everyone was selling Bitcoin. Germany, Mt. Gox, and the price action you can see it here. Good absorptions of that selling pressure, really good one, and close strong, and you can see what is happening now. We are trying to accept above 69. If we close 4-hour chart first time above 69, then daily chart above 69, then weekly chart. Weekly it's a bit too late for us to do something, but you can see the market is strong, is trying at least to retest the highs. But let's look left. 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests, 4 tests, 5, 6 weeks, 7 weeks above 69. Rejection, and now we are trying again. And in the weekend, we had Trump, which was a president of the United States, and he's trying to become again president of United States. It's not Venezuela, it's not a small country, it's not I don't know, it's not China, it's United States. Yeah, said that he's damn bullish. When Trump is asking you when we'll go to the moon, that could be the start of bringing new people, stupid money in the market. Yeah, that is the start of something important. As you saw on Discord, I even changed my description there. No short, just buy the dip. For me, that was the first moment where I paid attention. Was assassination attempt. That was bullish for crypto. And when you see ex-president of the United States coming in a crypto conference and talking, putting the best speech ever. Nobody could do that speech better than Trump. Sorry, is the reality. I listened to that 2 times. Come on, that guy at his age, at least spoke really nice knew a lot of things about crypto, more than anyone could think about. Come on. Even if someone was telling him in his ear what to say, doesn't matter. The public heard something really nice and will be damn tempted to join crypto, and they'll try to look at Bitcoin. Well, fuck it, Bitcoin is too high, and then we'll look at some altcoins. And don't think the fundamentals of altcoins will count anymore. No, just the fundamentals. If someone with a good strategy to promote itself, to shield itself, will be in the market, public will go and buy that. Huh? Okay, let's see what will happen here on weekly. It's Monday. Let's see where we'll close this week. Don't be too aggressive. Any point in time, a black swan event could happen. So use stop losses or use a good strategy to manage your risk. Even if we are entering in a last phase of the bull cycle, who was here last time knows that we have high volatility. 20-30% candles in a week, things like that, like we had here, but in just 1 week. Altcoins 50% retracements, 100-200% pumps. So it's not an easy environment, don't get me wrong. A lot of people, well, I'm waiting for the last phase. Well, let's hope you can manage it, because it's not easy. And people from the last bull market know that. Okay, Ken, I'll suggest you something and I'll do it publicly. I suggest you to start using this challenge. Not at 100% from your portfolio, but to 10-20% on total. Try to use this one. It's still a good prices. You are a premium member, you should use that, you should have this one. And I'm saying it in a video for a purpose, so I could remind you a couple of months. Sorry, it's my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, Ken, you know that. But could be the last time you can buy at these prices, these new altcoins. Maybe it is, maybe it's not, but anyway, if you use this challenge, at the end of the bull market, you'll be in profit. So I don't get it, why not? And it's available for each and every one of you. Yeah. If you are not a premium member, become a premium member. It's damn cheap. Yeah. And use this challenge. It's complete. It's with everything you need. Levels, coins, when to buy, when to sell. Use it. Don't come in 2025, in the middle of the year or in the top of the market, ask me what to buy. I cannot help you anymore at that point in time. Okay, guys, let's go back here. That's weekly on Bitcoin. As long as it's staying above 69, everything is strong. Huh? Indicators. Well, look at this one. It's trying to do something. This OBV is trying to tell us something. If we'll take this high, well, we'll be even stronger. Let's see. Let's wait. This is on weekly basis, so it'll take some time. As traders, we cannot wait for weekly to close. We have to anticipate, and we have to make some money on lower time frame. That's Bitcoin on weekly. You can see the other template. We accepted above 8.6 candle body highs. Still a good location for hunting short ideas. And we did that. I don't see short setups. I see strength. I see a lot of strength this time. If I'll see an M, I'll be damn sure to hedge my portfolio, but only to hedge. I'm not allowed to short even Bitcoin now in my play. I'll hedge my portfolio. That's it. Okay, that's weekly. Let's see weekly on Ethereum. Ethereum has a lot of room to recover. How we can frame a setup, maybe on lower time frame, a bot setup here on daily for our chart. I don't know. We had the ETF, buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, let's hunt setups on Ethereum, because Ethereum could be really nice. Not yet, but if we'll form bullish setups, let's play them, because Ethereum was lagging for a long period of time. Similar here on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, if you remember on weekly, we rejected from this level and straight up, V bottom. Well, if you will draw a long reload zone from this high to this low, you'll see we have a damn good location. And we retested that level. Will take some time to form a W, maybe, but sometimes on weekly chart, remember that we are talking about Ethereum, retested that V bottom and we can go do an AB equals CD or something. Just be damn sure you'll pay attention on Ethereum. Okay, so now let's go on daily. You can see the strength on daily. It's visible here. Indecision candle, Saturday, Sunday, you can see pumped a little bit yesterday, and now we are pushing above that indecision candle. That's bullish. We'll probably fuck around here a little bit, take some liquidity, maybe reject, but overall, I think we can push to 72. If we'll accept above 70, above 72, that's damn bullish, and we can expect higher. Straight up, no. On lower time frame will be ugly, up and down, trying to stop everyone out. But institutions, they can feel the FOMO also. I don't know if you know that. Yeah? And hearing Trump put some attention on the institution about Bitcoin, yeah, the lazy ones, and they'll try to get in. Okay, not the big money, not BlackRock. BlackRock is in Bitcoin before us, I could tell you that. Okay, so short reload zone here, a lot of strength. I don't see bullish setups. If you want to hunt long ideas, well, we can find on lower time frame, but I suggest you to hunt with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart, 50-minute chart, Bitcoin and Ethereum if you want to just hunt long ideas. That will keep you in this trend, yeah, because you want to be on the play with the trend here, and Holy Grail will do that for you, will keep you on the right side of the market. Indicators here, you can see we are pushing higher, we are trying to push higher here, yeah? So no divergence anymore. Let's see if OBV will follow and will do a new high. Let's wait, it's early in the day, we still have 17 hours, so we cannot count the last print on OBV. At the end of the day, we'll find out. Playing the Monday high, Monday low, well, don't play the short tomorrow. Actually, let's see what will happen, but I'll prefer to wait for the Monday low and play a long setup, and that's it, if I'll get that level. Okay, that's Bitcoin here on daily. Well, not too many things I could say. It's testing some levels, could get ugly, but it's strong. Ethereum. Well, if you remember in the Friday I said something about retesting 61.8, pumping here and retracing. Well, seems like wants to retest this $3,500. If market will accept above $3,550 here, that will form a big W, and that's strong on daily. You'll never see the price back here, at least not soon enough. Let's see how it behaves here in the short reload zone, yeah? Because here we have a short reload zone. If I'll take this high, this low, short reload zone, and you can see we are testing 61.8 for the moment. I don't think it's a good idea to buy Ethereum here. But that doesn't mean you cannot use Holy Grail or a bot setup. That are setups for continuation, not for the range. I don't see a setup on daily here for the moment. Bitcoin dominance. Well, will take some time on daily to form my view here. But if I'll go on 4-hour chart, you can see something. Can you see something? Pay attention. Could form on 4-hour chart. Not yet. We need to accept back above 56.5. But that could be the start for a nice altcoin season. And everyone from Premium, everyone from VIP has access on Holy Grail. If you don't have access, first check the announcement channel, because I changed the indicator, but I give you access. If you have access, use it. Get used to it, because that's the environment, the perfect environment where you want to use Holy Grail. From now, let's say, until the top of the market, you want to use Holy Grail. Become a good friend with Holy Grail. I put a lot of time and effort to make that indicator. The rest is up to you guys. I'm not selling that indicator, it's just a bonus for Premium and VIP. Take advantage. Okay, so here, if I'll find an ICM here, that could make me even more bullish on altcoins. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance. Let's go back on daily. I think it's the best. Guys, if you have requests, please type in the chat. I'll be damn sure to answer your requests. Ethereum versus Bitcoin on daily. You can see Wyckoff check of this W, rejection. Wait for a W on daily. I was looking earlier at weekly, but on daily, if you'll see a W breakout and retest, well, that's the signal. That doesn't mean we cannot reject from here. We can. In the same time, we didn't touch 61.8. Something could happen, and we can touch that level. Market will do whatever it wants, but I just don't like the fact that didn't touch that 61.8. It's just me. But accepting that, retest of this initial W on the dot, Wyckoff check, a new W here will make me bullish. DXY, just playing around here, nothing new about it. Total, let's see total what he's doing. Well, he's trying to push above this downtrend channel. Total 2 is doing the same. If we'll take this high, total 2, above this 1 trillion high, that means we can do an AB equals CD. And I could see an AB equals CD here. Let's just put that on the chart. AB, clone, and CD. Well, there you go. 61.8, touching the highs here. I will not be bad for total 2. Keep in mind, total 2, it's everything except Bitcoin. Total 3, it's everything except Bitcoin and Ethereum. And you can see it's doing the same. If we'll accept above this level, AB equals CD possible. Something like this. AB. Let's clone that one. Technical analysis is not hard. It's easy if you if you know how to do it. Okay, so I could see a bot setup here, or I could see an AB equals CD. And you can see it's pointing out, testing the highs here. Why not? Let's see if we'll take this high first. Okay, that's the overview. Not too many things to say new. We did an overview yesterday in the weekly crypto review. Market closed strong, not as strong as I liked, above 69, but close enough. Huge rejection, green candle, weekly candle, and we can do the rest this week. Okay, now let's go on the day trading part and let's see what we have. First of all, let's see this one. Last night I posted this trade. No? You can see AB below 33%, okay. CD here, 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows, perfect. Textbook Brian Beamish bot setup. And you can see we are at 50%. With Brian Beamish rules, you should move your stop to scratch. With my rules, don't fucking touch it. But he is saying something like this. When you touch 50%, you move your stop to scratch. When we'll touch 66, you start trailing. Yeah, and he's using 3 lows method. I don't use something like that. It's too complicated for me. Necessitates too much time. I'm using 1 hour behind the price action when I'm trailing. 1 or 2 hours. But here, I suggest to just leave it alone and maybe even trail more than 72.5. Let's see if we'll reach that level. I posted on VIP, I posted on Premium, I posted on General Chat, and I even posted on Twitter. I try to be sure that everyone has the chance to take this setup. I really liked it. The rest is not up to me, it's up to the market. If you are in, okay. If not, well, maybe next bus. Okay, now let's go here. As you can see on 5-minute chart, in the morning I was scalping. And I'm long again. With another bot setup, you can see AB, CD, 1, 2, 3, and long again. Will fail, it's just a scalp, it's a 0.5% risk for me, nothing big, but the trade is there and it's at the entry. You want to take it, this is a scalp, this is not something. If you are here now in the moment and you are a scalper, you can take it. If you are not, well, just ignore it. Scalping is not for everyone. Well, if you want to become a scalper, well, you should do couple 1 first to learn how to trade. And if you know how to trade, if you want to be a scalper, well, DM Stefan and join couple 2. And you'll learn with us, you'll have access on VIP, you'll trade with us, we'll teach you some scalping techniques, some good risk management, you'll be with us for 3 months, you'll learn new setups, you'll learn new market structure things, and you can become a day trader. But it's up to you if you are willing to put the time and effort. It's not about money, it's about time and effort. So, if you want to do that, DM Stefan, he's taking care of the Capua too. Okay, that's 5-minute chart. I'll go on, let's start with 1 hour, let's see what we have. On 1 hour, I said, is bullish, is strong. We can see a rejection here, but overall is strong. I don't have a new setup on 1 hour. Ethereum. Similar thing, it's a bit too high for me to take a setup. AB equals CD almost completed. We can retrace. Well, if we'll retrace, I'll try to find a bot setup, a long one. Like I said, don't short, buy the dip. I don't have a setup here, and you can see if I take this high and this low, we are just touching 61.8. We are trying to reject, but probably you'll see that the market is so bullish that will push higher in the short reload zone. Pixel. Well, long reload zone, unfortunately not a clear W, retesting, and I don't have a setup here. I could see a bot setup forming, but it's too violent. Maybe later in the week I could find a setup on this one, but for the moment no. Solana. Well, a stupid trader told you something. Solana, it's one of the strongest. Try to hunt long ideas on Solana and play the classic uptrend channel thing. And when I said we are here, and I said wait for something like this to happen, and look what happened. I longed everything I could, respecting the risk management here. Yeah, was ugly indeed, wasn't the textbook one, but usually when the market is trying to clean up, will be ugly. But look at the result, and we can push higher. If you want to see an AB equals CD, well, that I'll just copy this one. I'm a lazy motherfucker. But you can see AB, CD pointing out here at the top. We can now perform and push above $200. Yeah. But we have allocation now to long Solana anymore? No, sorry. The entry was here. We discussed it. We posted. We said about this one last week in the same live stream. Now it's a bit too late. Don't short Solana, please. Just leave it alone if you are not long. If you have spot bags, keep them. We don't know. The target is $200. Maybe a bit higher. But that doesn't mean cannot outperform. You saw what Solana can do when it's in the right environment. So please don't short it. It's all I could say. Wait for the buy the dip. You can see the 185 could be a good level to hunt for an entry. And stop loss at 178, 180. You can put a limit order there and hope for something to happen. Okay, that's Solana. Joe is strong. I like it. Strong, but no setup. If you want to take, I don't know, a bot setup here, maybe. I could see it. So let's change this one on bot setup, bot 1. We accepted below 33, so we have a 4-hour bot. Now, let's clone this one. Guys, usually I'm not speaking about bot setups because they are continuation trades. I have a reason to look with for bot setups this time. If you get it, okay. If not, I'm playing my setup, sorry. I'm not a financial advisor here. I'm just a stupid fucking trader making money on the market. The rest is up to you. I could see on Joe a bot setup here. 4-hour chart, you can see here. Entry here. Stop loss here, 3 to 1 risk to reward, more than enough. Yeah. If you want, maybe we'll stay here and will not push to the upside. You can have DCM here. Try to find LJ here to outperform to get a better risk to reward, maybe. But I saw in this bullish environment, I saw a lot of bots, one low, two lows, neckline, and phew, it's all you get. It's up to you guys. But the setup is for me, is there. Let's put it with thread. Okay. Dimension. Well, I don't see here. You can see diamond pattern. Maybe needs a clear setup. Straight down, weak bounce. Dimension is weaker than the rest. So if something bad will happen, this one will push back down in the long reload zone, and there we can find the setup. I don't like to play this one here. It's too up, straight down. No. IEVO. It's a bit stronger, but still, new coins, they don't have a clear bottom. We front run 61.8, that means it's strong, but I don't have a setup. I just don't have a setup. We need to wait. Ton. Well, look at this one. You can see someone said, well, no more down, go up. Look left, support here. And now we are at the same level, making a W. I don't know. You want to take it? Bullish divergence here. You have to use this as a resist, as a location. Support. This is the support. You can look left. You see support. You see someone said, well, get the fuck up again. And is repeating the process. You can take this double. Well, I don't know. It's up to you. I could see something like that. Stefan, this is your territory. Hunt a setup here. Testing the highs. Maybe even more. 5 to 1. Why not? Morning, Shogun. I could see it happening. You want to wait for a breakout and a retest? Well, it's up to you. But something is brewing here. Someone is trying to push this one up again. Manta. Well, you can see what I see. Not a new setup, but the market is still there. Let's see the bot setup. Well, look at this one. This is an older bot setup. You can see AB, 1, 2, 3, CD. We are at 50%. I could see retesting of the neckline here of the entry. That's why I don't like to put my my stop loss here yet. So technically I should do that because we touched 50%. But practically I have different rules, so I could keep my stop loss all the way down. I could see this one outperforming pretty soon and hitting the target maybe even higher. First W, the other side of the trend line. Someone has a setup like this. This is the trend line. This is the first W, clear one. Or this one is the clearest one. Same level. So a lot of confluence here for a long. We are long and we are strong, and we should not be shaking out. New setup? No. Alt. I just don't see it. I need either will accept above this level, breakout and retest. Okay, I could think something. Let's delete this one. Let's put a long reload zone and let's see what we have classically. Classic. Yeah, there you go. So show me a W here, even here at the 61.8, and maybe. Bullish divergence on RSI for our chart. Nothing else. E-gold. Underperforming, but I could see a bot setup here. Watch out. Let's change like on the other one. Let's change. And I need bot 1. Above, below 33, above 66. Okay, we have a setup. Let's clone this one. You'll learn with me the bot setup. I learned it from Brian. You'll learn it from me. So this setup I'll repeat until I'll do this one. I learned it from Brian Beamish. I learned to trade from Brian Beamish. So if you want to find someone with a good perspective and a good bias and a good approach, find Brian Beamish on Twitter. and you'll see. Okay, it's a bit too early about this one. Yeah? A bit too early about. We can still wait a little bit, but you can see one low, two lows, touching this level, then retesting, doing the third low, and then pushing higher. It's a bit too early. We have time, but let's watch the market. It's better for us to be early and look at the market and waiting for the market than to be too late and say, well, I have to take the next bus. Huh? That's why we are here, to hunt. And now watching this one from time to time, that means we are hunting setups. So let's watch this one. Maybe. Okay, FET. Okay, here. I see a clear EM here. I could see a range forming. Was nice and shiny. If you'll go without me, so be it. If you necessarily want, you can play with Holy Grail, maybe. But I don't see a new setup here. The setup was here, but I didn't took it. 78.6. Every damn day. If you want to play a setup and only one, I think Shark setup will be the one. Just see the bounce. Okay, let's wait a retrace at 78.6. Put a limit order there, stop loss there. And just leave with the results. The setup was there. You can see. Straight through 61.8 touch, 78.6 and quickly rejected. This one was a textbook one. Why? Because touching was 78.6 and rejecting was clear, and you had 1, 2, 3 lows to protect your stop loss. So now AB equals CD here, but it's a bit too late and I just don't see a new setup. INJ. Strong. I like it. Is strong, but I don't find a new setup. Bot setup if you want. Bot setup is there, so we can do the same similar thing. Let's see if we have a bot. Yeah, clear, clone, go here, about 2. Okay, 1 low, 2 lows, neckline, maybe back down a little bit to form the third. Taking the neckline, not a bad idea. You can see the target for a continuation, it's at 34. Not impossible, from 25 to 34. 3 to 1 risk to reward, not bad. But it's a swing trade, it's on 4-hour chart. It's Monday morning, that's why I don't really like to go too deep on the scalping. I prefer to see a bit higher time frame setups. And you can see here we have a channel. Yeah? We can see this trend line and we have a damn channel. You don't see it? Well, let me show you. We have 2 channels here, technically. Practically we have a big one. And I could show you this one. This is the channel, well respected middle of the channel, which tells me that is valid. Actually, if we'll do a textbook channel, this is the channel, the lower part, and then you have to put one above. But overall, it's a big channel here. Buying the bottom, maybe like on Solana, maybe wait. This one is too strong, but maybe wait for a fake out. Out from the channel, hunt an entry there and ride the uptrend. If you are a good hunter, you can do that. Or you can play the bot setup. It's up to you. I hope I give you some ideas. More than that, I don't see requests. I see 12 people watching the live stream. Seems like it's Monday and not too many people are interested in trading. Too bad. Too bad. If you want and you are watching this video, get on premium and get last chance challenge. This window of opportunity will pass, and then will be too late. It's all I could tell you. People who are in premium and VIP, use that challenge. Don't wait. It's still time to buy the same levels, maybe even better than we put the limit orders. The rest is up to you. Okay. I'll stop blabbing away. On economic calendar, tomorrow we have news in Euro and US. Wednesday we have some news. Yeah, pretty strong. So watch out. That could be violent. This week, it's ugly with the news. We'll have high volatility. Scalpers, day traders, set some alarms, half an hour, 1 hour before the big news. Stop trading. Go on the default position for a day trader, which is 100% in cash. If you are a day trader, if you are a scalper, that's your default position. 90% of the time, 100% in cash. When you are risking money, you have a good damn reason to do that and a good setup. You make a profit or you get a stop loss back on the initial position. It's that simple. Okay. A lot of news this week on Twitter. Well, I don't know about Twitter. Twitter is just fucking around with a lot of... some are bullish, some are not so bullish. You can see I made a summary. Someone, Sanjay, I think, made a summary and I posted on Twitter. Not too many things. I don't see what I like. I don't see the usual influencers posting, we are bullish, let's buy the dip, let's do that. Yeah, they are still quiet. Maybe I'm wrong and maybe I didn't watch careful enough. But I think we can push higher this time. Okay, guys. Hit the like button if you like the content. Hit the dislike if you don't like the content. See you, if you are a VIP, see you in 2 minutes in VIP. If you are a premium member in the New York session. If you are just a general member or only on YouTube, see you tomorrow morning with the same live stream. If you want to help us, hit the like, share the live stream with a friend, things like that. Yeah, I'll go and scalp with Stefan on VIP. By the way, VIP, if I remember correctly, 2 more places. Yeah, and we'll close the registration in 4 days or 5 days. 20 people max. 2 more places to book. DM Stefan if you want to join VIP. Okay, guys. See you on the next live stream.